And a mysterious visitor is on its way to Earth, moving closer, 137,000 miles per hour. Is it an alien ship, a comet? Scientists and researchers are left puzzled. To unpack the mystery behind 3-1 Atlas, we talk to a physicist who is chasing the truth of this cosmic object, Avi Loeb, who is professor of science at Harvard University. Take a look.
In the case of 3I Atlas, as soon as it was discovered, I estimated its expected size based on the reflectance of sunlight, and it looked as if it's 20 kilometers, which is huge. It's as big as Manhattan Island and twice as big as the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. And such a big object is, untenable if it's a rock, because the previous object that we found from interstellar space that was moving too fast to be bound by gravity to the sun was discovered by Gennady Borisov in 2019, and it had 1 million times less mass than a rock that is 20 kilometers in diameter. The only place where you find nickel without iron is in alloys that are produced for industrial purposes here on Earth, which raises the possibility that maybe this object is a technological spacecraft. And the other reason to assume that is, well, if there is not enough rocky material in interstellar space, perhaps such a big object was targeting the inner solar system, and therefore had nothing to do with the reservoir of rocky material in interstellar space. It would have taken about 80 years for this object to arrive to the vicinity of Earth from a distance of about 1,000 Earth-Sun separations. That's the edge of the inner Oort cloud. And about 80 years ago, we had the first nuclear explosion on Earth. And so one may wonder whether we triggered this visit. 3I Atlas will come closest to the Sun on October 29th, 2025. And the fundamental question is whether it will use it to maneuver. If it doesn't appear on the other side of the Sun, actually the Earth would be on the opposite side of the Sun. The Sun would block our view of 3I Atlas when it comes closest. If it does a maneuver, the stock market may crash. It's a blind date of interstellar proportions. And in a blind date, my advice is observe the other side before doing anything. I don't think we should message immediately to 3I Atlas. And we should examine the implications. And now, of course, after such an encounter, we might decide to have an array of spacecraft that would intercept future visitors. If it turns out that we encounter an alien technological probe, that would be as revolutionary or even more revolutionary as the discovery of quantum mechanics, because it will have implications to humanity, to our aspirations in space. It would mean that there is a smarter kid on our cosmic block, and it will fill us with a sense of cosmic modesty that we very much deserve.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.